Hello viewers, welcome to this video. Viewers, in this video I am going to share with you 5 English names of birds. So let's see. Number 1, kite. Kite. Kite means chill. Kite means chill. Number 2, crane. Crane. Crane means সারস পাখি. Crane means সারস পাখি. Number 3, heron. Heron. Heron means bog. Heron means bog. Number 4, cuckoo. Cuckoo. Cuckoo means কোকিল. Cuckoo means কোকিল. Number 5, ostrich. Ostrich. Ostrich means উট পাখি. Ostrich means উট পাখি.